Good morning, doctor.
Good morning. Please sit down.
I am not feeling well.
What problems are you facing?
I have a headache and a sore throat.
How long have you been feeling sick?
I also have a little fever.
Let me check your temperature and blood pressure.
I have been feeling sick for 2 days.
You have mild fever. Don't worry.
What should I do, doctor?
I will give you some medicines.
Should I avoid any food?
Take this tablet twice a day, after meals.
Can I go to work tomorrow?
Drink warm water and take rest.
How many times should I take this medicine?
Twice a day. Once in the morning and once in the evening.
Should I avoid any food?
Yes. Avoid oily and cold food. You should not go to work tomorrow. Take rest for one more day.
Thank you, doctor.
You will be fine in 3 to 4 days. You are welcome. Take care.